This is how you can add a neon text effect in Filmora. First, let's add some background to the video. I'm gonna be using this video clip that I got from Pixabay. Right now, the background is a bit too bright, so let's change the brightness to minimum so the text or the neon effect would be more visible. Let's click on the video clip and navigate to Video, Color, and then you have to scroll down until you got to this section where you can adjust the light of the video. Let's reduce the brightness to minimum. You can also change the contrast, exposure, shadow, etc. But I think the brightness should be good enough. Now let's add some text to this video. Let's navigate to titles, and then you want to search for, let's say, glow. That's one keyword that you can try. And as you can see, there are many effects that are similar to the neon effect. Let's try this one. I'm going to click and drag. Now this is the result. I think it is good enough, but if you're not happy with the effect, you can always use something else like the neon text effect, which I think will be resembling the kind of effect that we want to achieve in this video. So let's try the keyword neon and hit enter. Okay, I think this one looks even better compared to this. So I'm gonna be using this effect for the remaining of the video. But let me remove this item first. And I'm going to click and then drag this item to my video timeline. So let's make it longer to match the actual video duration. Okay, that looked really nice. Now I want to change the content, I want to change the color and also the styling of this text. So let's click on this text and then go to text, click the basic menu, and I want to change the text to, let's say, subscribe. And I'm going to change the font to something that I think would be appropriate for the neon text effect. There are a lot of options here, but I guess this one looks amazing. All right, I think that looks really good. Now you can change the color, the size. You can also add some rotation. You can add other effects in this menu, but I think this one should be more than enough if you just want to apply a simple neon text effect. Now there's another thing that I do recommend to apply, which is the animation. If you navigate to the animation, you will see that there are 3 different options. There is in, out, and then loop. I think in and out are quite easy to understand. Basically, these are animations that would play when the text appear in the video and also when the text leaving the video. So let's say I want to try applying the simple typewriter effect on the in, and also I could apply the same effect for the out. But for the looping, I think this is quite fascinating because you can make the animation to keep going as long as the text appear on the video. And I think this is going to make the video even more engaging and will draw the user's attention to this particular text. So let's add some effect like blinking, which I think is simple enough. Just double click and there you go. So let's play the whole video again, and this is basically the final result. I think it looks pretty. It's blinking and it's definitely going to attract your attention by just having this blinking text effect. But anyway, that's essentially how you can apply a neon text effect in Filmora. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.